Yeah. So now you've probably gotten to the point where you've needed to make some corrections. So I just want to kind of go over the process of how I like to go about that. So I went into modules. I went to the assignment again. You can go and look at the due dates through the calendar, but you really want to make sure that you're going to the assignment through the modules list because, and you'll see I also changed the name on this. You want to get into the assignment this way, and you also have your e-text with those highlights that give you any like helpful hints in there as well. So if you use the e-text that's loaded in here, you don't see any of the highlights. So you definitely want to make sure that you are getting to your textbook projects and the e-text through your modules list. So I'll go here. There is a picture that shows you what your finished product should look like. So that's helpful. I don't know why mine has a shade behind it, so ignore that. These are just my screenshots that I took after I did the videos. So I've already clicked load. And so it brings me over here. And you see I have my assignment done. So I'm going to go ahead and use this guy. And I'm going to click submit. And you always want to make sure you go to the graded summary report because that shows you what's going on in your assignment. Okay, so I'll click OK, enable editing as we do. And here I'll snap it to fit. So notice that I have my original document here and I have my inputted or my report over on this side. So I can look here at this first part. It tells me my score. It gives me some info. I find it to be far easier to scroll down and look at it down here. Sorry, I'll make it a little tinier. This project is a little grouchy about the pictures. Some of you placed them perfectly. As you can see, mine are grouchy, and that is totally fine. I just went through and I'm looking at your documents as I see them coming in, and if they look in general like this, then I'm moving the scores to full credit in Canvas. So here, these are all about the online picture. So we're going to ignore those ones, online picture. Okay. So here, the heading Career Connections webinar should be formatted using italic. So that's easy. I come over to my original document and I format it into italics. Next one. The heading Social Media Advertising Campaign should be formatted using a 14-point bold italic and blue accent darker. Okay, so this one, we're going to highlight. Sorry, that's my dog door. There we go. You want to make sure you get just, that's fine. So I have bold. I don't have italic. It is 14. I can check my color. See how it already has a box around it. I just hover. That's right, blue accent 1 darker. So the rest of it is fine. I just, again, missed my italic. So I can click off. That one is fixed now. And then I think these guys both have to have that done too. So I'll make those fixes. Okay. So this here tells me that I have a typo. You see how it's highlighting where the issue is? So it actually will show you, and it'll show you what it's supposed to say most of the time. So it tells me the issue is in B4, so A, B4, and the issue is that I'm missing that S. So easy fix, hit the S in, and there we go. So I have all those corrections done. I can then close my report. I can save my document. And for this, if you read the button, it says to resubmit the project, close this screen to return to MindTap and relaunch the project. Easy peasy. So I just reload, relaunch. I hit start. I think you have to do start new attempt. You can put the assignment in and you can see how now it's 1019 on my computer. So it's 1019 here. I can then use this one, reload it, resubmit it, and your high score stays in the grade book. I do hope that helps with any concerns. Again, on this particular one, if you had any issues with it being the pictures, I scanned through all of them and I'm going through and making full credit if yours looks like this. But make sure that you make any of the other corrections, like how I had spelling and formatting issues and things like that. Hope you have a great day.